Hey YouTube, Squint here. Today we're going to work on a couple of locks. Sitting here doing a little bit of work and doorbell rang and lo and behold there was a shipment out there for Don. So we're going to look at some of the locks that he picked up today. This is an American lock. This is the one I was telling you, Don. The key was in it during shipment. So you can see it's kind of got a bend midway through. It still works, you just got to leverage it up in there and kind of wiggle it around. But this is an American B40. I've actually never seen one of these before. Works really good. There's no way to take it apart, but we're going to try to pick it. And you got a couple of other ones. Got a couple of shipments of purple 1100s and orange 1100s. So we'll see if we can pick those. Try to get all three of these done in the same little video. If it doesn't take too long, then we'll look at gutting one of the 1100s. But if it takes a while, then yeah, we won't gut anything. There's plenty of videos of American 1100s. But yeah, let's look at this B40. That's not going to work. It hits the front lip of that first pin there, so we're going to look at picking it with bottom of the keyway tension. I'm going to use a Sparrow's pick here. I think this is either a full dent or a half dent. I've got to get back in there and start looking at what picks these are called. Nothing. Oh, we got a binder on number 1. You guys can see. Okay, that was number 1. Now 2's bound up. Oh, there we go. Alright, that's pretty quick. So, that's the American B40. So, pretty cool. Pretty cool little lock. Beautiful little brass padlock. So, alright. Let's go ahead and see if we can get one of these 1100s open, and then there's a key bitting on this one. The only real difference in these are the color and the keys, so the bittings are different on these locks. I know some people like the dog Peterson picks, but if you want a lock pick that'll open up just about any American lock, single pin picking, go get yourself a Peterson hook number 1. For me, these things just fly through an American lock. So let's be quiet so we can hear the little clicks that these serrated pins are going to give us. So initially what I'll do is I'll start at the bottom and then shoot this 18 thousandths pick straight up through and just get the clicks so I don't overset anything. And then I'll move to there's a little ledge on the left hand side that I'll work off of to get everything else where it needs to be. Okay, we're probably looking for the very last spool pin. Okay, there's a little click out of that back one. Okay, we got a false set there. You see it drop a little bit. Feels like it's going to be this very first pin here. Okay, we got that one set. We either got it to set or it's set halfway. Gave us a good click. See if I only set it halfway. Well, this one's putting up a fight. Okay, there's the full set. Okay, that was number one. Tension wrench fell out. That's never any good. Okay, sorry about that. Took a little longer than we thought. Alright, let's try to get this third one. There's the key bitting there. Alright, same thing. We'll start here at the bottom. Get all those initial little clicks out of the way and then start working from the ledge. Okay, got that full set. Now we're just looking for the pins to give us feedback. And there we go. Nice. Okay. Well, you guys can see we got that one open. So there's a couple of 1100s and not too shabby of a time. And 11 or the B40. So ain't no reason to take any of these apart. Don, thanks, buddy. I'll get these in the post and get them out to you. Make sure the key bittings on there. On those two, they were definitely different. Yeah, so if you guys are looking, you guys that are starting out new that are trying to pick these 1100s and are having a little bit of difficult time, get you one of these Peterson picks. Even if you don't like Peterson, I haven't really found a profile, and if you guys know of one through Sparrows, let me know, that's kind of similar to this hook number one. I can't find it. I've looked, and for whatever reason, I'm assuming it's just that flat tip on there, or the precision of the sharpness of that tip. When you're working these American 1100s or even the 5200s, this pick really does come in handy. So, all right, guys. Well, I appreciate you sticking with me. Yeah, it's pretty cool little locks. All right, guys. This is Squint, and I will be on to the next lock.